Hello everyone, good morning. First of all, thanks being here in my YouTube channel. Okay, please like and subscribe. Now, in this session, we are going to study problem based on nth term of arithmetic progression or general term of sequence. Okay, now we start problem number 1. Let n means nth term. Okay, n means here an means nth term. Okay, nth term of given sequence, and an be a sequence defined by a1 yani first term. That means first term is 3 and an equal to, that means nth term of this sequence equal to 3 times of an minus 1 plus 2 for all n greater than 1. Here n is always greater than 1 for this sequence. Okay, and this relation, find the first 4 terms of this sequence. Find first 4 terms of this sequence. That means we are find a1, a2, a3 and finally a4. Okay, only 4 terms. Okay, have you any problem? Question are understood everyone? Okay, now we are solved here. That means solution is, at first we write given nth term. Nth term is here an equal to 3 an minus 1 plus 2. Let us equation number 1. And a1 is equal to 3. Clear? Then first we find a2. That means second term of this sequence. Yani in place of n we have put n equal to 2. Then put for a2 put n equal to 2. Then a2 equal to 3 times of a2 minus 1 plus 2, and this equal to 3 times of a1 plus 2, and this equal to a1. a1 is here 3. That is given your question. Okay, this is given your question. a1 equal to 3. That 3 into 3 plus 2. This is equal to 9 plus 2 is 11. 9 plus 2 is 11. Now we find a3. Then we put n equals to 3. Put n equal to 3. And a3 equal to 3 times of a3 minus 1 plus 2. This equal to 3 into a2 plus 2. And this equal to 3 into a2. a2 is here. We find out 11. 11 plus 2. 11 into 3. 33. 33 plus 2, 35. Got it? And next term a3. a3. Again put n equals to 3. a3 equal to 3 times of a3 minus 1 plus 2. This is equal to 3 times of a2 plus 2, and this equal to 3 into 35 plus 2. And this equal to 'a4 no, a3 is here, a4, a3. Sorry, because a3 is here. Now next put n equal to 4 and a4 equal to 3 times of a4 minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 times of a3 plus 2 and 3 into a3 यानी a3 का वैल्यू कितना है बाबू 35. Here 35. 35 into 3 is 105 plus 2. This is equal to 107. Hence our four terms is here A1, A2, A3 and A4. Therefore answer is first A1 is equal to 3, A2 equal to 11, A3 equal to 35 and finally A4 is equal to 107. This is your answer. Okay? Four terms. Have you any problem, my dear? Next question. This is very easy questions. Okay? Next question. Question number 2. Question is Fibonacci sequence is defined by A1 equal to 1 equal to A2. That means A1 and A2 is equal to 1 and An equal to An minus 1 plus An minus 2 for all n greater than 2. Find An plus 1 by An. Okay? For n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here question is this, given nth term is this, a relation of an minus 1 plus an minus 2. Clear? For all n greater than 2. But here also given a1 and a2 is 1. So we easily find out an plus 1 by a1 for n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When n equal to 1, then we find a1 plus 1 by a1. That means a2 by a1. When n equal to 2, that means a3 by a2. N equal to 3, we put n equal to 3 here, then a4 by a3. When lastly, when n equal to 5 put here, then we find a5 plus 1. That means a6 by a5. Okay? So finally, last term we find a6 by a5. Okay? Now, solutions. Given the relation of this sequence is an equal to an minus 1 plus an minus 2 and a1 equal to 1 equal to a2. My dear, suppose this relation is equation 1. Now we put step by step n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So at first we put n equal to 1. Already here a1 and a2 are given, but this relation is valid for only n greater than 2. Okay, n greater than 2. Therefore, first we put n equal to 3 in this relation for satisfied the statement, the conditions n greater than 2. So put n equal to 3 in 1. because A1 and A2 are given and this is equal to 1 from questions. Okay, my dear. Then put n equal to 3. Then A3 equal to A3 minus 1 plus A3 minus 2. This equal to A2 plus A1. And this equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Okay. Second, put n equal to 4 in 1. Then A1. Then A4 equal to A4 minus 1 plus A4 minus 2. This equal to, look at, A4 minus 1 is equal to A3. A4 minus 2 is equal to A2. And A3 is equal to 2 and A2 is equal to, given from question 1. And this equal to 2 plus 1. Here 3. Okay. Again put n equal to 5 in 1. If 5 equal to, if 5 minus 1, if 5 minus 2, this is equal to, my dear, A4 plus A3. And A4 is equal to 3 and A3 is, my dear, equal to 2. Then 3 plus 2 is 5. But we are find up to A6 because my last term is A6 by A5. Okay. Now put and lastly put n equal to 5. Okay. Then A6 equal to here 5 A6. A6 minus 1 plus A6 minus 2. And this equal to, my dear, A5 plus A4. And A5 is 5. A4 is 3. And 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay. Now we find an plus 1 by an for n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number 1, for n equal to 1, an plus 1 by an is equal to a1 plus 1 by a1, and this equal to a2 by a1, and this equal to 1 by 1 equal to 1. Okay. And second, for n equal to 2, an plus 1 by an, and this equal to a2 plus 1 by a2, and this equal to a3 by a2, and a3 is 2 by 1 equal to 2. Got it? Any problem? Next, for n equal to 3, for n equal to 3, then an plus 1 by an equal to, क्या होगा बेटा बताओ, n के प्लेस पे क्या पुट करना है 3, then a3 plus 1 by a3 होगा या नहीं होगा, समझ में आ रहा है ना, चलो देखो ध्यान देना, and this equal to a4 by a3, and a4 is here, we are find a4 is, bolo, a4 is 3. Okay, 3 and A3 is 2. That means 3 by 2. Okay. So this is equal to 3 by 2. And next 4 n equal to 4. Then an plus 1 by an equal to a4 plus 1 by a4, and this equal to, my dear, a5 by a4. And a5 is, बोलो, आपने अभी अभी बनाया है, अभी अभी निकाला है. What is a5 is 5. Okay, a5 is 5. 5 by a4. A4 is 3. That is your answer. And finally, for n equal to 5, last, because n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last term is this equal to a5 plus 1 by a5 and a6 by a5, and this equal to a6. a5 is 5 but a6, बताओ क्या क्या आया था a6, बोलो. फाइनली कितना, 5 plus 3, that mean 8. 8 by a5 is 5. So final answer is 1, 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 3, and finally 8 by 5. Okay, my dear, understood everything? Clear now? Good. Next question, and question based on number of general term of arithmetic progressions. Clear? And very easy question, but very important questions. Okay, for 11th exams. Question number 3. If fifth, qth and rth terms of an APR A, B, C and C, then prove that number 1, A into Q minus R plus B into R minus P plus C into P minus Q equal to 0. Okay, got it? First questions clear. And second, A minus B into P plus B minus C into Q plus C minus A into R also equal to 0. Clear? Here fifth term is A, qth term is B, and rth term is C. Already here A is given. That means we suppose first term are capital A, okay, capital A, capital B, and other, except small a. Clear na? Okay. Then solution is solution. Suppose first term of given AP is equal to capital A and common difference is capital D. Okay, अपन यहाँ पे स्मॉल डी भी ले सकते थे. ओके, लेकिन हमने क्यों लिया, क्योंकि दोनों देखने में थोड़ा स्टैंडर्ड लगे, मजा आए. ओके, तो देखो क्या कर रहे हैं नेक्स्ट में ध्यान देना। तो एक रिजल्ट आपको मैंने बताया था, क्या रिजल्ट था? रिजल्ट इज गिवन nth टर्म इज इक्वल टू a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी, वेयर a इज फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ ap and d is common difference. Got it? And n is nth term. This relation is also proved in last class. Okay? फर्स्ट क्लास में मैंने इसको प्रूव भी किया था आपको, है ना? तो अब देखो बेटा, इसी के अकॉर्डिंग यहां पे क्या है, नॉट, हम लोग इसे क्या कह रहे थे, nth टर्म. ओके, बट हियर pth टर्म, एग्जैक्टली n के प्लेस पे क्या है, p है, n के प्लेस पे क्या है, q है, n के प्लेस पे क्या है, r है. दैट मीन इन प्लेस ऑफ n इज p, इन प्लेस ऑफ n इज q, इन प्लेस ऑफ n इज r, एंड इन प्लेस ऑफ फर्स्ट टर्म is we let capital A, in place of common difference we let capital T. Therefore pth term is equal to A from question given. Now pth term is A plus P minus 1. Here nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore pth term is equal to capital A plus P minus 1 is into capital D, because here first term is A and common difference is capital D. Okay, got it? And this equal to A. Equation number 1. Then similarly we can easily write. Similarly, pth term is equal to B. Further we write pth term is equal to A plus Q minus 1 into D equal to B, number 2. And finally, rth term is given from question is C. And rth term is equal to, what is this? Rth term is A plus, good, A plus r minus 1 into D, and this equal to C. Equation number 3. Okay, write down on your copy, notes copy. Okay, please concentrate on these solutions and this line. Now LHS equal to number 1, LHS equal to, बोलो LHS क्या है दिया हुआ, A into Q minus R plus B into R minus P plus C into P minus Q. Okay, and this equal to A. Small a is A plus P minus 1 into capital D. Okay, into Q minus R plus B. In place of B we are putting A plus Q minus 1 into D into R minus P. Again last term C. In place of C we are put A plus R minus 1 into D into P minus Q. Understood? This line, have you any problem? No problem. Okay. Everybody is understood now? Have you any problem? Please say. Now, in this line, we find out A into this here plus A into this plus A into this. we are common A and Q minus R plus second R minus P and third P minus Q. Because A is multiple of Q minus R, multiple of R minus P and multiple of P minus Q. Therefore, we are common take common A in P minus Q minus R, R minus P and P minus Q. Okay. Now, plus again second term here in this step. P minus 1 into D into Q minus R. Again, Q minus 1 into D, R minus P. And R minus 1 into D, P minus Q. Here D is common. D is common. Each and every term. Okay? Now, D is taking common in this particular term. P minus 1 into Q minus R. Again, in this term, Q minus 1 into R minus P. And finally, third term is R minus 1 into P minus Q. Understood? And next. And this equal to here, Q cancel with Q. Minus R plus R cancel. Minus P plus P is cancel. A into 0 plus D multiply P into Q, PQ minus PR minus Q minus minus plus R plus QR minus QP minus R plus P plus RP minus RQ minus P plus Q. And this is cancel PQ minus PQ. PR plus RP minus RP plus RP. And each and everything are cancels. Every terms. Therefore, 0 plus D into 0 is equal to 0 equal to RHS. Proved. And second questions, we are similar way is proved. Okay. And we are taking third questions. Again, next question. Okay. And second question of these questions, your homework, okay, for your practice work. So please इसको solve करना second question बेटा है. And next question, question number 4. Question number 4 is if, and very important questions, JEE Main 2006. JEE Main 2006. Okay. If A1, A2, A3 up to AN are in AP, then prove that then prove that 1 by A1 A2 plus 1 by A2 A3 plus 1 by A3 A4 plus up to 1 by AN minus 1 AN equal to N minus 1 by A1 AN. Okay? Yeah? solution. Here given A1, A2, A3 up to An are in AP, and prove that this equal to this. First we given A1, A2, we write A1, A2, A3 up to An are in AP. Just suppose A2 minus A1 equal to, because this sequence are in AP, therefore A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2 equal to A4 minus A3, and finally An minus 1, this equal to D. We are suppose this equal to D. Okay, now LHS equal to 1 by A1 A2 plus 1 by A2 A3 plus 1 by A3 A4 and dotted plus 1 by An minus 1 An. And this equal to we are divide by common difference D. So obviously multiplied by each and every term by D. Okay. So then D by A1 A2 plus D by A2 A3 and D by A3 A4 plus D by An minus 1 An. Okay. And this D, place of this D is we are putting A2 minus A1 because here denominator is relation between A1 and A2. Okay. Again, in place of this D, we are putting A3 minus A2 because here relation denominator is A2 A3. Again, similarly, this place we are put A4 minus A3. Got it? 1 by D into, here we are put A2 minus A1 by A1 into A2 plus A3 minus A2 by A2 A3 plus A4 minus A3 by A3 A4 plus dotted plus An minus 1 by An minus 1 into An. Now next step, 1 by D A2 by A1 A2 minus A1 by A1 A2. Got it? We are separate this term. Okay. Similarly, A3 by A2 A3 minus A2 by A2 A3 plus A4 by A3 A4 minus A3 by A3 A4, and finally lastly An by An minus 1 into An minus An minus 1 by An minus 1 into An. Okay. A2 is cancelled, A1 is cancelled, A3 is cancelled, A2 cancel, A4 cancel, A3 cancel, An cancel, An minus 1 is cancelled. And this equal to 1 by D. First 1 by a1 minus 1 by a2 plus second 1 by a2 minus 1 by a3, third 1 by a3 minus 1 by a4 plus 1 by an minus 1 minus 1 by an. One by a1 minus 1 by a2 and 1 by a2 minus 1 by a3, 1 by a3 minus 1 by a4 and similar way 1 by an minus 1 minus 1 by n. If we add of all of this term, we are getting only two terms, 1 by a1 minus 1 by an. That means this, sorry, this cancel, this and this cancel, this and this cancel, obviously this is also cancel. Yani finally we 1 by d 1 by a1 minus 1 by an. Okay, finally we get 1 by d 1 by a1 minus 1 by an. Now 1 by d an minus a1 by a1 into an, clear? And 1 by d an a1 plus n minus 1 into d minus a1 minus a1 an, and a1 is cancelled, 1 by d n minus 1 into d by a1 an, and dd cancelled, and finally a1 an. This is your result. Okay, as proved. Clear now? Next question, and today last questions. Question number 5. Questions 5. If theta 1, theta 2, theta 3 up to theta n are in AP, okay, with common difference D, with common difference D, okay, with common difference D, then prove that sin D, look at here, sin D sec theta 1 into sec theta 2 plus sec theta 2 sec theta 3 plus sec theta n minus 1 and sec theta n is equal to tan theta n minus tan theta 1. Got it? If theta 1, theta 2, theta 3 up to theta n are in AP with common difference small d, then we have to prove sine d. Here d is common difference into sec theta 1 sec theta 2 plus sec theta 2 sec theta 3 up to sec theta n minus 1 sec theta n equal to tan theta n minus tan theta 1. So first here given solution given are in AP. Therefore theta 2 minus theta 1 theta 3 minus theta 2 and finally theta n minus 1 equal to D. Have you any problem? And okay, therefore LHS equal to, now LHS equal to this and this equal to sec theta 1 and sec theta 2. We also write and sine the product, sine dy cos theta 1 cos theta 2 plus, and this is multiplied by this, and sine d and sec theta 2 is written as 1 by cos theta 2. Similarly, this is equal to cos theta 3, and finally sine d by cos theta n minus 1 into cos theta n. Got it? And sine d, here relation between theta 1 and theta 2. Therefore, in place of d, we are putting theta 2 minus theta 1. And here relation denominator is related between theta 2 and theta 3. That means in place of d, we are putting theta 3 minus theta 2. Okay. Now, again, we write sine theta 2 minus theta 1 by cos theta 1 cos theta 2 plus sine theta 3 minus theta 2 by cos theta 2 and cos theta 3. Okay, plus sine theta n minus 1 by cos theta n minus 1 cos theta n. Okay, my dear, understood here? Everything's clear? Sine A minus B. Sine A minus B. We know sine A minus B is a result, is a formula of trigonometric function sine A into cos B minus cos A into sine B. This formula is memorized प्लीज. ओके, आप इसे याद रखेंगे क्योंकि हमें इसे यूज यहां पे भी करना है और कई प्लेस पे यूज करने हैं. ओके, देन तब अब हम लोग क्या करते हैं, देखो बेटा यहां पे ध्यान देना, एंड दिस इक्वल टू साइन थीटा 2 एकदम सिमिलरली sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Here in place of A is theta 2, in place of B is theta 1. Therefore sin A sin theta 2 into cos B that means cos theta 1 minus cos A, that means cos theta 2, and sin B, sin theta 1 divided by cos theta 1 cos theta 2 plus, this is your first term, plus exactly similar way we can write easily sin theta 3 minus theta 2, and this is sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B divided by cos theta 2 cos theta 3 and plus dotted, and last term is here because here no place, sin theta n into cos theta n minus 1 minus cos theta n sin theta n minus 1 divided by cos theta n minus 1 into cos theta n. Then here this term by this term, and you people are a smart and a smartly solutions. Here cos theta 1 and cos theta 1 is cancelled. Here this by this and cos theta 2 is cancelled. Now further we write sin theta 2 by cos theta 2 because cos theta 1 by cos theta 1 is cancelled out. Now here second term is cos theta 2 is cancelled. Then sin theta 1 by cos theta 1. Sin theta 1 by cos theta 1. Again similar way sin theta 3 by cos theta 3 minus sin theta 2 by cos theta 2 plus dotted, and last term sin theta n by cos theta n minus sin theta n minus 1 by cos theta n minus 1, and this equal to tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1 plus tan theta 3 minus tan theta 2 plus ये sin थीटा 2 बाय cos थीटा 2. तो ध्यान देना बेटा sin बाय cos क्या होता है 10, क्लियर है ना, तो देखते जाओ. देन लास्ट टर्म इज tan थीटा n माइनस tan थीटा n माइनस 1. Understood every line and everything here and these portions. Okay, now tan theta 2 positive, tan theta 2 is negative, cancel out. Similarly tan theta 3, again here tan theta 3 cancel. Similar way tan theta n cancel. Now finally tan theta n minus tan theta 1, and this is equal to RHS, hence proved. And today's class are end here. Thanks. Okay, and हम लोग जो बेटा नेक्स्ट लेक्चर देखेंगे वो लेक्चर नंबर 3, इसके आगे हम लोग कंसंट्रेट करेंगे, कंटिन्यू करेंगे, उसमें और भी अच्छे क्वेश्चंस बनाएंगे. एंड इस टॉपिक को, इस चैप्टर को वी लर्न आउट थ्रू द एडवांस लेवल. ओके, बाय.